In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and merge a CSV file into Google Sheets. Whether you're managing data for a fitness program or simply handling large spreadsheets, this tutorial will help simplify the process for you. Let's dive in and get started on importing your data efficiently. First, you'll need to open up a Google Sheet. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and head to Google Drive. From there, create a new Google Sheet. You can do this by clicking on New and then selecting Google Sheets from the drop-down menu. It's a straightforward process, but it's crucial to start with a blank sheet or the one you'd like to append to. Once your sheet is open, move to the top left corner where you'll see the File option in the menu bar. Click on that to bring up a drop-down menu. This is a key step because the file options give you access to importing and exporting your data, which is exactly what we'll be doing in just a second. Under the File menu, you'll find an option labeled Import. Clicking this will open a new dialog box with several import settings. This is where you can choose exactly how you want your CSV data to be integrated into your existing Google Sheet. Now, you'll want to select the Upload option in the Import dialog. This prepares the sheet to receive a CSV file from your local device. If your file is stored on your computer, this is the way to go, as it allows you to directly choose the file you're working with. You'll now see a Browse button. Click on it to open up your File Explorer. Here, navigate to the folder where your CSV file is located, select the file, and hit Open. Once selected, the file will begin uploading to Google Sheets. As your file uploads, you'll be presented with different import options. Make sure to select the Append to Current Sheet option. This choice adds your CSV data to the bottom of your existing data in the active sheet, allowing seamless integration without overwriting any of the existing information. Finally, you're ready to complete the process by clicking on Import Data. This will execute the importation and append the data to your sheet. It might take a moment depending on the size of your CSV, but soon your data will be visible within your Google Sheet, ready for analysis or sharing. And there you have it. You've successfully imported and merged your CSV file into a Google Sheet. By following these steps, you can manage and update your data efficiently, keeping everything in one convenient digital workspace. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for all your data management needs.